Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So unlike the S&P, there is no diversions here. You can see another low, low, low. So yeah, the trend is down. There is no reason that we should be looking for longs. However, we are at the Fibonacci, so the 61.8 Fibonacci of this previous move up. So we're at that retracement. There have been sort of three legs down. So it's one leg, two leg, three legs. So yeah, from an Elliott wave perspective, one leg up, three down to the 61.8, and then another move up could be. But for me, trend is down. Oscillators are grouped to the downside. Don't really want to be jumping in a long. Don't want to be jumping in short. Down here. But also because we're in the sort of in a downtrend, don't really want to be long right now. So looking for areas of rejection. I think that is what we should be doing. That is the closest one, and we've broken through that pretty aggressively yesterday. So any retest of that area would get us long. One thing you need to bear in mind, if you look at this trend line here, it's been pretty gentle, and then all of a sudden we've dropped below and given us a new low. So you could argue that you're looking for another higher leg up and then another leg down, but I'd be watching this zone here at 13,547. So it's been a bit messy if you look at the tails. So you can see there are buyers coming in here, and we've got a pin bar off 13,381. So that is something to pay attention to. Look at the oscillators at the moment, the 3 hour. Not indicating that you want to be jumping in short share. You definitely want to be waiting for a pullback. And the gap, we got a gap close yesterday. I actually missed that. I wasn't paying attention to that, but that was a perfect entry. There's the gap. That was a perfect entry for a short right there. And you'd be up 272 points at the moment. Anyway. At the moment, we are in a channel pretty similar to what's on the S&P. So there's your channel of sorts. Just want to get it correct. There we go. Probably just extend it slightly. So we are in a pretty solid downward channel, or should we say bear channel. But look at the diversions here. On the hour, you can see oscillators are sort of drifting, so I say, to the upside, while prices are drifting to the downside. So in a downward trend, if we start breaking above 13,547 and start holding that level, then I would expect this level can go. Then I would expect us to start moving back up to come and retest that area there, which would be 13,800. So that's the one scenario. The second scenario, it's really tight. Then you have to do this on the 15 minutes. And what you'll see here is each one of these tails inside here from yesterday would be the area to pay attention to. So that's the first one. Not quite there. There you can see we've hit it, we've tagged it, we've rejected it. Not a level I want to be trading after hours anyway. So wait for the market to open and have a look at what happens here. If we reject this area again, then I would expect us to sort of move back down, touch the low that we have hit after hours, but then I'd also be looking for us to come back down. I just want to get, there is a significant level here. And I'm on the 3 hour, and you can see there is the first area there, and if you look a little bit lower down, there is another area down there, and then look there is a gap as well. So let's come back to the hour. So your targets to the downside would be as far down as 13,024, and I suspect 1300 would definitely be a level. Now the question is whether we just sort of meander down in this channel, which is it's 2 days of channel, so that's a very, very good possibility. If we break the channel and sort of hit down, then I'd be quick to take profit, and there's probably a long scalp in this area to get back into the channel. So that's kind of the one scenario. The other scenario is really we start breaking this channel to the upside and start finding some supports on one of these two levels up here. So that'll be 13,424 and breaking 13,550. Then you'd be looking for a move back up to 13,800. At the moment, there's no real indication that that's going to happen. So I suspect probably just continue drifting the channel today. We do drift in the channel. It's going to be fairly easy trading, especially on the 15-minute, because you can sort of in and out, every pullback just sell. Every time you come down to in the region of the channel bottom trend line, then just take profit, let price come back up, sell again, take profit, let price come up, sell again, and so you just continue the whole day. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.